Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for my disappearance. We were working on a bunch of stuff and just work's gotten in the way, but we'll get back to that later in the video. I got a doozy for you guys today. This is a 1997 Suburban. I thought it was a 2500, but I believe it's a 1500 HD. It's got the 8-bolt wheels, and I absolutely love this color combination. This thing's been sitting for about 10 years, and an opportunity come up so we can do this video for you guys, and I thought that I would jump all over it. We'll take a walk around the vehicle and show you guys what's going on. As you can see, it's been sitting for a long time. So we'll dig into the interior here. And I knew this was loaded. I'd already seen this vehicle, obviously, but I didn't have a good look at it. But the seats are in really good shape for sitting. Usually these seats split and crack. I mean, even the driver's seat's in pretty good shape. Door cards are nice. Fully loaded, like I said. It's got the SLT package, so it's got the old cassette player and the CD down below. And if you don't have the CD player, this is usually just a cubby hole. It does have 4-wheel drive, has the overhead console, which is pretty impressive. A lot of guys go after these OBS trucks. They are in big demand, and I've owned a lot of these vehicles. And this is back when GM actually made good trucks, but absolutely love this color combination. What we got here? Fuel system upgrade. That's a good filter. That's great. Some loose change in there. What's this? Octane boost. Okay. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I don't really like the looks of that, but we'll get to that in a second. It's got your compass in the mirror there, and I think that's an auto dim mirror. But it's pretty cool. It's got the, as I mentioned earlier, the extra ventilation package. A tree fell on this and busted that window. Luckily, there was no damage to the roof, but this tire's holding there. That one's, well, it's got air. It's only flat on the bottom. Well, so that's cool. It's some sort of hydraulic line. But again, you know, it's in pretty good shape. This has got the easy entry system for the back. And of course, I don't expect it to work because it's been sitting here, but that's how you would get into the back seat. And cup holders in the back. Again, the door cards are in really good shape. You know, so far what I've seen, this thing could likely be saved. It's, like I mentioned, been sitting for about 10 years. And we'll go around the other side here. Flat. Those wheels look like they're in really good shape though. And you know, as you can see, like I said, it's been sitting. The mold will tell you the story. And get into this side. Yeah, I still think that can be fixed. It's solid. This is rusty. This is, you know, probably gonna need a new door card, but you might be able to save those. It's hard to say without power if these switches work and all that. Again, you know, here's the mileage on it. 474, which is around 260,000 miles. That seat's in pretty good shape for 474k. Still got the original GM mounts in it, and just a great the interior is surprisingly in better shape than I expected for it to be sitting this long. and doesn't smell, obviously, because the window's busted out. It's kind of ventilated the interior. I was told the injector pump was out of this, so we'll have to come back and see, maybe in another video, if we can get this going. But we'll get under the hood here. Oh, okay, yeah, it's not gonna run. All right, well, that's okay. I would pull this out. It's a 6.5 turbo diesel, and I would pull this out, and I would either dump a small block or a big block into it, depending on what, you know, if you wanted to tow it out, put a big block. But even a small block, a lot of guys convert these. Wouldn't take a whole lot of effort to do, but something clearly has been living in here. But yeah, we're not going to get this going, clearly, but all the same, it is a great color combination. And I don't know, I'm getting back to this 1500 again. Remind me if this is it's not a 2500 because it says 1500, but I think it might be a 1500 HD. You guys can let me know in the comments what you think, and tell me what you think of the body of this thing, whether it can be saved. So this is why we don't do a lot in the winter time. I mean, the trailers are just caked with snow. Got a couple. We got a bunch of content coming for you guys. This is a 92, I think, with an a 7.3 IDI, and if you guys want to see this, let me know in the comments as well. Really, that's hot, but I don't know if you guys can see the interior, but really good interior. Don't know the mileage because it's got the digital odometer in it, but let me know what you guys think about this. We're also gonna bring this to the channel. This is I think it's a 93. It's either a 92 or a 93 Chevy Blazer, and I don't have the keys for it, but again, absolute mint interior. We'll walk around and see what the mileage is on this one. Needs a little bit of body work, but I was just gonna tease you guys with this one. That one's got 260,000 kilometers on it, which is about, I don't know, 140,000 miles maybe. And this has got a small block in it, but we're gonna try and get this running probably in the spring, and see if we can take this for a drive. It's been sitting a long time too. So that's it for this one, guys. Sorry for my delay in getting back to you in the channel. Just needed a break, and then with work and everything, and then we wanted to rebrand the channel to make it more about this kind of stuff for you guys and not just Camaros. We're still going to do that. We got some stuff coming up, but I wanted to get out here and show you guys this stuff. When I wish all of you a Merry Christmas and thank you for supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me. I know I haven't shown it lately, but we are planning to get back to work here, and we'll see you soon.